Where is my towel? Money is honey.
I kept it here to dry. I had kept the towel to dry under this stone. It seems like it must have blown away in the wind.
In Vijayanagar, Murli, Suresh and Prakash could easily solve the most complicated problems.
You are wrong. If it had flown in the wind,
The piece of rock placed on it would have fallen down.
If the towel flew in the wind like this, the rock would fall like that. Do you understand now?
this means that
Someone deliberately
Made the towel disappear.
It's just a towel, it's not a treasure. That anyone would pick it up and take it. What are you saying? This makes no sense.
Keshav, someone was running away with this towel. While running, he got entangled in this towel and fell.
This is my towel.
Oh, this doesn't prove that you all are very intelligent.
no one respects us here.
No problem. One day when we solve a big puzzle, everyone will respect us.
what kind of mark is this?
Listen, have any of you seen someone going in this direction?
I'll tell you right now.
What kind of drama are you people doing? Do you know the punishment for wasting my time?
Commander, did you find out anything?
Looking at these marks, it seems as if a big camel has just walked from here.
And it had only one eye.
A baby and a woman were sitting on that camel. But Commander, how do they know that a woman and a child went with the camel? I think these people's men might have kidnapped my wife and child.
Catch them!
Commander Vijay Setu captures Murli, Suresh and Prakash, suspecting them to be friends of thieves, and takes them to present before King Vidyadhar.
So, you all haven't seen his wife and child?
No, our king. Whatever we told the commander, we told by the aroma of the air.
The vibrations of the earth.
And by observing through our sharp eyes,
This is how we knew it.
Oh, so you think you are so intelligent and clever?
Yes.
We just...
make an effort, our king.
My king, this is quite interesting. If you agree, why not have a test of their abilities in front of everyone here?
Certainly, I give my permission.
Thank you, my king. Our soldiers will bring a large box in front of you. Without opening the box, you have to tell us what is inside the box.
But how can they tell without opening the box?
It looks like they got
Trapped by their own words.
Silence! Tell me, do you agree?
We agree.
Tell the soldiers standing at the southern gate to immediately bring the box here.
Huh?
Now tell us what is inside the box.
There is a round object inside it.
A round object inside it. And that round object...
Is a pomegranate.
Pomegranate?
What are they saying?
Our king, there are indeed pomegranates inside the box and they are...
Raw.
My king, how it is possible?
What's the matter, Saranga? Are there raw pomegranates inside the box?
Yes, my king.
I don't believe it. Open this box immediately. Huh? It's unbelievable. How did you all manage to do this?
Our king, when these two soldiers were bringing the box,
We heard the sound of something rolling inside, and from that we figured out
that there is a round object inside.
and that round object is a pomegranate, we deduced this because after talking about the test,
The minister called his soldiers with the box from the southern gate. And outside that southern gate is your pomegranate garden.
and we noticed mud and pomegranate leaves stuck to the soldiers' shoes, which made us realize that
the round objects kept inside the box are nothing but pomegranates.
Really? Even if I accept what you say, how did you know that these pomegranates are raw? Tell me now. Did you, one of your ghosts, go inside the box to taste or smell them? Tell me. Do you have any answer?
Minister, sir, we didn't expect such questions from you. Because every fruit has its ripening time.
and everyone knows that pomegranates don't ripen in this season.
And if the pomegranates haven't ripened yet, then they will remain raw, our king.
Wow. Unbelievable. Your intelligence has truly amazed me.
Pardon me, my king, but this doesn't prove that they are not thieves. Because without seeing, how did they know that his wife and child went this way? And that too on a camel.
Our king, by seeing the footprints of the camel in the soil there,
Even a child would understand that those are footprints of a camel.
And did the camel itself come to tell you that it has only one eye?
absolutely not, because on that path, the camel had only eaten grass on one side.
While on the other side, the grass was greener and more abundant.
Now you might ask, how did we know that the woman and her child went on the same camel? We knew this because of the footprints of the woman and her child.
They were visible along with the footprints of the camel for some distance. However, after the camel sat down, their footprints disappeared, indicating that both of them must have sat on the camel from there.
They are absolutely right, my king. His wife and child both have reached their home safely while riding the camel.
What? Allow me to leave, my king. Please forgive me. I had wrongly accused you all. Now I'll take your leave.
Well done. You three are amazing. And I will always have a place for such intelligent individuals in my heart. Isn't it, Minister?
Yes, my lord.
If you like this video, subscribe to our channel Murthy Media.